Down, 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 down. Hey, princess. Where's your face? There it is. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, look in your ear. Yes, you have a cute ear. There we go. Hey, big boy. What you got going on, huh? What you know? What you know? Yeah, that's what I thought. Got Mama and Billy. They're having a snack. Nom nom nom. Chickens are having a scratch. Nom nom nom. Billy, be nice. She's a nursing mother. You have to be nice. Oh, look at the baby. And the baby wants some too. Oh, you're gonna get up in there, huh? Oh, what's in there? Is it good? Is that for me? Is that for me? What do you think, huh? What do you think? What do you think, cute one? What do you think about all this? Billy? You have any thoughts? I see you have an eye. Oh, and you have a nose. There's definitely a nose. Oh, that's your snack. Oh, bonk. That's your snack right there. You gonna go? Whoop, don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. There you go, little girl. Oh, poor thing. Hey, Billy. What you gonna do now, huh? What you gonna do? You gonna play? Huh? Billy, you a playful goat? Oh, you like the scratches first. Oh, give Billy the love. Love to Billy. We do. We definitely do. You are our first goat. That's right. What a good boy you are. Oh, they're double teaming. Double teaming you, Mama. No, you're done with it though. Billy? Oh, you coming back for more, huh? Coming back for more? Yeah, you are. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do? Hop on down. Get a snack. Snack time on Chopwood Farm. Now, to get the eggs.